Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 CLA 250-4MATIC. This one's a Cirrus White. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has the sports package, the diamond style grille up front, 18-inch AMG wheels, interior leather package with brown leather interior, panorama sunroof, CLA 250 4MATIC badging, clean set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This CLA has 61,109 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.